Hey students, Mr. Dunn here. Today is the first time that we're going to do Current Event Thursday, and it's pretty standard current event assignment. I did them before. We were even told we have to do them because it's a history class, and there's a whole lot of directions here, but the basics of it is you pick an article and then you write 2 paragraphs about the article. The first one's a summary of what the article's about, and the second one is how it's relevant to you. Well, let's take a look. So step 1, choose an article. You don't have to use one of these sites. You can pretty much use any news site you want. I actually threw a few more links in here myself to make the list a little more rounded. Alright, read the article. As you read, think about these questions. Where does it take place? What's it about? What are important details? How does it relate to you? And did you like the article? Why or why not? And then you do your assignment. You're writing 2 paragraphs, as I mentioned. Summarize the article in the first paragraph. Include where, what, and 3 important details from the article. We got 3 important details. Now, in the second paragraph, explain how this article relates to you or impacts your life. Explain it if you like the article, why or why not, and be sure to link the article. Like if you're going to make like a nice Google Doc or a Word doc or something, remember to link in the article so that I may read the article as well. If it's an actual physical newspaper, make sure you let me know the date and the name of that newspaper and the name of the article. Things like that. I just have to know what the article is, so if I want to read it, I can find it. It's worth 10 points. Just have the little rubric floating around. Yep, right here. You can take a look at the rubric, see how it's graded. Now, one important thing I want to note specific to my class is every Thursday you have what's called a supplemental program. So you're either doing Achieve or Current Event, and it alternates. So one week will be Achieve, the next week will be a Current Event. These first 2 times, that was the only thing due that day, but for the rest of the year pretty much it's going to be that supplemental program in addition to that day's regular lesson. Today I didn't want to double team you because the lesson that it lined up with was on economics, and it was a pretty heavy lesson. I didn't want to give you that really big, that one of my harder lessons, and then throw this on top of it. So just this today, you'll do the economics lesson tomorrow. But for the rest of the year, you're going to have whatever happens to fall on Thursday, and then in addition to that, you'll have either an Achieve article or Current Event Thursday. So easy today, but from here on out, it's going to be a little more on Thursdays. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, you can pretty much expect to see this same assignment about every other Thursday. Alright, have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow when we talk about economics.